This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Slowly unscrew the coolant filler cap to allow any residual pressure to escape. Unscrew the bleed screw a few turns. Note that some models are equipped with a bleed screw adjacent to the oil filter cap. Raise the vehicle if necessary, then undo the fasteners and remove the engine undershield. Position a suitable container under the left-hand end of the radiator. Unscrew the drain plug and allow the coolant to drain into the container. Securely refit the plastic drain plug. Do not over-tighten. If required, reposition the container, then unscrew the drain plug from the side of the cylinder block. When the draining is complete, remove the container from under the vehicle. Fit a new sealing washer, then refit the drain plug. Tighten the plug to the specified torque. Manoeuvre the undershield into position and secure it with the fasteners. Where applicable, lower the vehicle to the ground. Turn on the ignition and set the heater control to maximum temperature, with the fan speed set to low. This opens the heating valves. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to the expansion tank. Once the level in the expansion tank starts to rise, squeeze the radiator top and bottom hoses to help expel any trapped air in the system. As soon as coolant free from air bubbles emerges from the radiator bleed screws, tighten the screws securely. Once all the air is expelled, top up the coolant level until the float is no more than 20 mm above the filler neck. Securely refit the filler cap. Start the engine and run it until it reaches normal operating temperature. Then stop the engine and allow it to cool. Check for leaks, particularly around disturbed components. Check the coolant level in the expansion tank and top up if necessary. Note that the system must be cold before an accurate level is indicated in the expansion tank. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.